Hey, what's up guys? We're at Bonfire. Oh, happy Bonfire night. Remember, the 5th of November. The bonfire is just here. I'm going to show you a video of it lighting in a bit.
Oh, hello, Stanley.
Alright boys?
Yeah. Get down to that.
Yeah, man.
I'm just going one back. It's a bit dangerous. I'm going
We were a bit close last year, weren't we?
Yeah, because he was really little and he kept trying to get in the fight.
He did.
They had a video in the whole thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, the way that's going up is not going to last long, is it?
I might put one of my armchairs in this.
Liam, what is this course?
Oh, this is your ladder call, your ladder thing, isn't it?
Oh, Jacob's Ladder.
Jacob's ladder, that's it.
Guys running off.
Well, I can't get in. You're too slow, Aaron.
Don't pull his hat off.
Won't be, it was Liam
Don't you go, Becky.
What was me?
pulling his hat off.
No.
Yeah, it was. That tree's gonna set alight. Lol. Mom, that's what I'm going next to a No, on tank, you usually like sit that far away from the fire.
That's because it's not a fire as big as this.
You won't see that, it's recorded.
And it's dangerous for the bird.
Our camera's dead fuzzy at the minute. Yo! That quality. You know, I'm only putting these into the video.
Put it back on.
Just these? Yeah.
You know, this quality's terrible, Dad.
And that's better than mine. He's setting that one off. That's a big one.
Oh, it's gonna be a big one.
Oh! My God. This is a huge one. My quality then was absolutely terrible. What is wrong with my camera? Why is your quality so good compared to mine? That is basically real life. Have you seen my quality? whistlers, I just let them go off the screen. See, the quality on this is terrible. It's disgusting.
Yo. Lowest? Yeah.
Nah, it makes it quite terrible. Yes.
That's it now. These are the last few. From these are the last few. It's gone off. These are the last few.
Yeah, they've left, haven't they? Gee, what a finish!
Good.
Woo!
God, Lou, definitely.
Oh, kind of my quality's just got a bit better.
It's still not the finish.
I know they've left as well. They're long gone. Shows how many they light at a time.
Just in one little square and they're just all in there. And my man was actually just standing in there right next to him. It's got him.
No. Finish it with some whistlers. Yeet! Out the atmosphere.
What a finish. Oh, I wanted a chocolate apple.
Sweet.